year of '66 in New York. I didn't work in architecture so much. I did different job, and my way to see Manhattan came from this year '66. I was not yet an architect. I discovered you could do that. And it was like drawing, not in the paper, but in the space, and walking in the drawing. The design of the building has a first root, which came from the building I did for LVMH in 57th Street, where I did some oblique lines, and I deal with zoning code in a way which was not usual, avoiding the effect of staircases with zoning code. It has been done nothing in this part of Manhattan since many years. The chair of the community board said, "This is a great building, we have to welcome it in our neighborhood." When I saw the site first time, for me it was a pleasure, a chance that it was an angle, because it was providing possibility to give volume, to give a 3D shaping. And the target was to have interesting entrance, commercial area. I included the way out and entrance of the subway, which was at the corner in the building. There are two different companies. One is having the lower part, the other the upper part. And you have two entrances, two halls in each street. This creates something which is not really a tower, but it's like the gathering of different towers together, and an angle which is very particular. And I think it's providing also interesting apartment, interesting views. What is special and interesting is this prismatic oblique type of volume in Manhattan. It's including itself very well in the block, but it's providing some dynamic with the sky. And we use two types of glass, one for the eastern facade and one other for the northern facade, in order to enhance the contrast between the two. We used also ceramic frit in the glasses. It's softening the reflection. It's better for the energy code to protect against UV. It's softening also the view from the other apartment in front. Sometimes you have the avenue or the street in a long distance, and this is a pleasure in an apartment. It's so many things you have to gather to be architect that my best building came after 2000. I was more able to think about construction, dimension, space, interior, comfort. Anyway, urbanism, architecture, metro, all of that is a common life of everybody, you know. So if it's not good, it's bad. It's not neutral, you know. You like it or you suffer of it. When I received the Pritzker, no, I was not expecting, because generally it was more experimented than all the architects. And when people said in my youth that you had to wait for 50 years old to be an architect. And I was 50 years old and I got the Pritzker. It was a great honor, chance. I think the most important is not so much architecture itself, it's urbanism, it's the way we are able to make neighborhood. It's a great challenge for now and the future.